syllogism, which is given in Infosys. So let us see these questions in syllogism, which was already given in Infosys. Syllogism is nothing but a logic. So let us see the question directly first. There will be two statements along with two conclusions in this model. You have to read the statements and then say whether the conclusion will follow. That is, only one conclusion follows, or first conclusion will follow, or second conclusion will follow, or both the conclusions will follow, or neither of the conclusions will follow. Okay, so like this, let us see the first statement directly. So how I am going to explain this, I have taken one or first model in this, that is statements starting with all. Let us see 5 questions in statements with all, then we'll go to statements with some, like that. Let us see, all lemons are grapes. This is not in reality, it's just a question. All the lemons are grapes. All the grapes are mangoes. There are two statements. All the lemons are grapes. Lemons is one area, grapes are one area. Mangoes are different area. All the lemons are grapes, all grapes are mangoes. So say the conclusion directly, dear students. The conclusion says all the mangoes are lemons. Say here all lemons, statement 1. All grapes. So when all and all is coming in statements, in conclusion we can get all. When all and all is coming in statement, in conclusion we can get all, which will follow. And if all is there in statement, in conclusion if we have some, when all are there, some will definitely follow. So in this case, all and all are there, all can follow and some can follow. But let us see whether we are talking about the same subject or not. See, all lemons, all grapes. Conclusion, all mangoes. So it's nowhere related. So first one does not follow. Hope it's clear. All lemons, all grapes, it is all mangoes. 3 are different, it does not follow. We are not talking about the same subject. Second one, when all is there in the statement, some is there in the conclusion. All grapes, some grapes if we tell it follows. All lemons, some lemons if we tells it follows. When all grapes are mangoes, some mangoes are lemons. Some mangoes are lemons. So if it follows or not means 2 follows. When all is there in the statement, some is there in the conclusion, all are there and some is that will follow, and we are talking about the same subject, that is mangoes. Okay, some mangoes are lemons. So let us see the diagrammatic view. Lemons is one area. All the lemons are grapes is one area. All the grapes are mangoes is one area. Now all the mangoes are lemons. See, mangoes is a bigger circle, lemons is a smaller circle. All the mangoes cannot be lemons. So first one does not follow. Second one, some mangoes. Say they can take some mangoes or lemons. It's clear from the figure. So only 2 follows. So instead of doing Venn diagram, I am telling how to solve this by directly seeing the question. Let us see one more question so that we'll have a little clarity. All the tables are chairs. All the tables are chairs. All chairs are boxes. So in question in statements we have all. In conclusion we have all and all. It follows. For example, all tables is there in question, that is statement. No table if it gives does not follow. All is there and no table doesn't follow. All tables are there and some tables are there, it follows. All is there, some will come. All tables, some tables are not, some not, does not follow. All is there, some will follow. All is there, some not, will not follow. All is there, no, will not follow. Here according to our answer, all tables are chairs, all chairs are boxes, all boxes are chairs. It follows or not. Because all tables, all chairs, all boxes, three are different, doesn't follow. We are not talking about the same subject. So directly by saying without Venn diagram, we can tell. Next, all chairs are boxes, all tables are boxes. All tables, all tables. It follows. So only two follows, we can tell one does not follow. Hope it's clear. We are talking about all in statement. In conclusion, all, it follows. But we should talk about the same subject. So all tables, all chairs, all the chairs are boxes. Now if you see, all boxes are chairs. All the boxes, circle is bigger than chairs. It doesn't follow. Second one, all tables are boxes follows. All tables are boxes, only two follows. Okay, only two follows. Let us see the next one. See, next question. All, and some. Whenever all is there in the question, some is there in the conclusion, definitely blindly we can tell they follow. All and some. All biscuits, some biscuits. From all biscuits, if I take some biscuits, it must definitely follow. Using that logic, I am telling, without using Venn diagram, we can tell. But let us see the question in clarity. All the tables are chairs, all chairs are boxes. Some chairs are tables. Some chairs are tables. So when all chairs, some chairs follows. Next, some tables are chairs. Some tables, all tables, some tables are chairs. So all tables are chairs. All the chairs are boxes. Some chairs are tables. Some tables are chairs. So both follows actually. Both follows. See, all the tables are chairs. All the tables are chairs. And all the chairs are boxes. Now, some chairs are tables follows. Some tables are chairs follows. All the tables are chairs means some tables will be definitely chairs. Both follow. So when all is there, some will definitely follow, dear students, because if they talk about the same subject, we have to see whether they talk about the same subject or not. Let us see one more. Let us see one more now. The question says, all cups are glasses, all glasses, all in statement, some. In conclusions will follow, but some will follow, some will not follow. Some will follow, some will not follow. So all, some, both must follow. But let us check it now, whether we're talking the same subject or not. All cups are glasses, all glasses are spoons. All cups, some cups. But some cups are not spoons. Okay, let us say some will follow, some cannot follow. All glasses are spoons. Some spoons are cups. Some spoons, all cups, all glasses. There are no some spoons. Okay, both does not follow. Let us see. All cups are glasses. All the glasses are spoons. Some cups are not spoons. Does not follow. Some cups are not spoons. Some spoons are cups. Second one. Some spoons are cups. Follows. Second one follows. First one, some follows, some not, does not follow. Only two follows. Only two. Let us see one more. All cars are petrol. All and some. So when all is there, all will come. All is there, some will come. But let us check directly. All cars are petrol. All cars are diesel. You can see directly. All cars are petrol. All cars are diesel. Both are all only the statement and the conclusion, but they're not talking about the same subject. They're not talking about the same subject. So first one does not follow. Second one, all diesel, some diesel. So all diesel is there means some diesel we can take it. All diesel is petrol, some diesel is car. Some diesels are cars. We are not talking about diesel is petrol. We are not talking about some diesel is car. So second does not follow. Let us see in diagram. That is all cars are petrol. All the diesel is one more circle. All the diesel is petrol. Now all cars are diesel. We can't say. First one does not follow. Second one, some diesel are cars. We can't say. So both does not follow. So I'm telling you how to solve without Venn diagrams. I'm telling you using the Venn diagrams also. This is one model we have seen. Let us see now one more model with sum and sum. Let us see one more model with sum and sum. Say the question now. Some trees are roses. Some roses are leaves. Okay. Some is there. When some is there in the statement, all will never come. Some is there, all. Some roses, from where do we get all roses? We can't get. Some is there, all cannot come. Some is there, some can come. Some is there, some not can come. Some is there, all cannot come. Some is there, second conclusion, some we can get. Some is there, third one, some we can get. Let us check it now. Some trees are roses, some roses are leaves. All roses. So does not follow. By seeing itself, some is there, all will never come. Second one, some roses are leaves. Some roses are leaves. It is direct statement. Third one, some trees are leaves. Okay, some trees are roses, some trees are leaves. Does not follow. So let us check now. When some is coming, all will not come. Let us see the diagrammatic way. Some trees are roses, some roses are leaves. All roses does not follow. Conclusion 1. Some roses are leaves. Follows. Some trees are leaves. In this diagram, if you draw the same diagram, some trees are roses, some trees are leaves, it follows. So in this diagram it is following, in this diagram it is not following. We should satisfy all the types of diagrams or all diagrams, so does not follow, only 2 follows. Let us see one more question with some. Some trees are roses. Some trees are roses. Some and some. In some is there in the statement, some is there in the conclusion. We may get it. We'll get it, but let us check it. It is right or wrong. Some trees are roses. Some roses are leaves. Some trees are leaves. Some trees. So some trees are leaves. Some trees are roses, some trees are leaves. Does not follow. Though it is some trees and some trees, here it is roses, here it is leaves. Some roses are leaves, some leaves are trees, some leaves are trees. Some trees, some leaves, does not follow. Though, so some is there in the statement, some is there in the conclusion, it must follow. But we are talking of the same subject or not, let us check it. If you draw the diagram, some trees are roses, some roses are leaves. If you see, some trees are leaves. does not follow. In the same way, some leaves or trees, some trees or leaves, and some leaves or trees both does not follow. Both does not follow. So both do not follow. Let us see the next one. Some trees or roses, some is there. When some is there, all will not come. You know that. Some is there, some can come, all will not come. So some trees or roses, all jasmines are pink doesn't follow at all. So by saying without Venn diagram itself, we can tell some is there, some may come, some not. Some roses are not trees. Some roses are not trees. Some trees are roses, some roses are not trees. Let us check now. Some trees, some jasmines, some roses. Some trees or roses means, by saying some trees or roses, some roses are not trees. So two can follow. Let us check two can follow. That is, some trees or roses, some jasmines or roses. Now let us check. All the jasmines does not follow. Some roses are trees, some roses are not trees. So only two follows. We can tell without drawing the Venn diagram also by seeing the question. We have to do more number of questions for clarity. Let us see one more question with some and some. Let us see one more question with some and some. The question is, some oranges are white, some white or green. Some. Whenever some is there, all will not come. Some is there, all will never come. Some is there, no will never come. Some actually something was there, no thing, nothing cannot come. So both does not follow. Both does not follow. Let us check it. So directly without Venn diagram at all, both doesn't follow. Let us see the diagram. That is, some oranges are white. Suppose this is oranges, this is white. Some white are green. This is white, some are white or green. All the green does not follow. No brown does not follow. So by seeing itself, we can tell the students without drawing the Venn diagram. So I am going to do one more video with some no, some all like this. So then you can get some clarity. Let us see one more. Some comes, some in statements, all in conclusion. So some in statement, all. Immediately I will tell both does not follow. Because some is there, we can't get all. Let us check it. Some gums, okay, are cakes. All the cake, some cakes are blue. Some gums are cakes, all cakes. Some cakes are blue. All cakes we never get, all blue we never get. So both does not follow. That is, neither one nor two follows. Hope it's clear. In this video we have done some questions. These are all Infosys model questions. Okay. So next class I'll come with some more Infosys model questions in reasoning, syllogism. Thank you.